Hello students, now we will see question number 11 of exercise 11.3 class 7th maths. So let us first see the question. The question is a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 cm. Now what is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? This is your question. Now according to the question, aluminium sheet is given to us which is of which shape? Square. So there is an aluminium sheet of square shape, okay, and the side length is 6 centimeters. So this all four sides are equal, all are 6 centimeters. Now from this sheet a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out. A small circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from this sheet. So after you cut out this much portion, what is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? Whatever is left over means the remaining sheet, means this part, outside part. So what will be the area of the remaining sheet? So what you need to do? You need to find out first area of this square sheet, and then from that you have to remove this area of circle. So I hope the question is clear. Now let us see the solution part. So side of the square sheet is given 6 centimeter. Okay, here there is printing mistake. It will be 6 centimeter. Now area of the sheet means we have to apply formula for square. What is area of square? Side square, so 6 square means 36. 6 6 is 36 centimeter square. So this will be the area of square sheet, 36 centimeter square. Now we have to find out area of circle. So for that, radius of the circle is given 2 centimeter. What will be area of the circle? Formula is pi r square. So pi value is also given. It is 3.14. So you have to keep 3.14 pi r square. So 3.14 multiplied by r means radius. So 2 into 2. So now you need to multiply this 3. And after multiplying this 3, your answer will be in decimal point, or you can get the answer in fraction as well. So after multiplying, your answer will be 12.56. Okay, and here in this question, instead of 3.14 they have taken the value 22 upon 7. You can take this value and you can do it. Okay, both ways the answer will be same. So 12.56 is also equal to 88 upon 7. So this is your fraction part and this is your decimal part. Both are same. So 88 upon 7 आएगा, or otherwise if you keep 3.14 your answer will be 88 upon 7. Okay, now we have to find out area of the leftover sheet. For leftover sheet, what you need to do is you need to subtract this both. Okay, so 36 minus 88 upon 7. Okay, so area of the leftover sheet is 36 minus 88 upon 7, or 36 minus 12.56. Okay, so it will be 36 minus 12.56. Subtract these both, so you will get your answer easily. और if you are doing by taking 22 upon 7, अगर आपने पाई की वैल्यू 22 upon 7 रखा है, so answer 88 upon 7. If your answer is in fraction, then here 36 minus 88 upon 7 you will take out LCM. So after taking out LCM, this 7 will be multiplied here, so it will be 252 minus 88 divided by 7. So at the end it will be 164 divided by 7. Okay, 164 upon 7. So your answer will be 23.44. सो ये आपका आंसर आएगा फ्रैक्शन में एलसीएम लेने के बाद. और अगर आपने डायरेक्ट 3.14 रखा है तब तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. डायरेक्टली आपका आंसर आएगा 12.56 and directly you will do 36 minus 12.56. So again your answer will be 23.44. So you can do by both method. Okay, so this is 36 and here your answer will be 12.56. तो ये दोनों को आपको सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है and this will be your answer 23.44 after subtracting. Okay, so this was question number 11 of exercise 11.3.